Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'm super excited because I just received my October/November confetti collection box. This thing is always so huge. Look at how big this is. So that's what the box looks like. And right on here it says 2019 award winner of the US Subscription Box Awards, which is huge, and I can see why. This box is super great. So Confetti Collection is a bi-monthly subscription, which means you get it every other month, and I love bi-monthly subscriptions. I really wish more boxes would offer that, because when you get the monthly, well, first of all, it adds up in your, money-wise. It's like a hit on your bank account, but also you just get so much stuff. I think having some time to like enjoy your goods in between boxes is great. But yeah, so this costs $19.99 every other month, so it's affordable too. And you get a bunch of different like lifestyle stuff. It's so cute. I have absolutely no clue what's coming in this month's box. I haven't seen any unboxings posted yet, but I did hear that it's gonna be really good. So if you guys follow Georgia Sunshine, her and like the Fab Five, they went to Nashville recently and they met with Confetti Collection and they said they got a sneak peek and that it is awesome. So I'm really excited, probably even more excited than usual. So of course I will link their website down below. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what I received. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. It's wrapped really well. It's got some bubble wrap, tissue paper, and this little swigglies. So I think all the actual products are actually right here. So the box is definitely a little oversized, but I think they use the same every month. So look at, they have a bunch of the extra swigglies in here, which I like to save and reuse for when I send packages out and stuff like that. So then, yeah, everything is wrapped up in here. There's a cute Confetti Collection sticker with pink tissue paper. I love the pink. And then here it is. So there's a card on top and it says surprise. So this is the treasure hunt box. It says, who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you, so we're hunting through this box to see what they are. Or so start hunting through this box to see what they are. So this is the card, super cute. So I failed to mention that there is a theme every other month, and obviously this one's theme, or is this box's theme, is treasure hunt box. So I'm really excited to see what we got. Let me get this plastic wrapping off. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see, and it says Hello Gorgeous on it, Compact Mirror by C.R. Gibson. So this cute box, let's get it open. This is like a beautiful gift box. A lot of stuff in here, they do like package so you can actually re-gift some of this stuff or just use some of it in here to make gifts. You'll see in a moment. But, oh, this is so pretty. Hello Gorgeous. This is like fancy. So that's one side of it, and then, oh look, you can see you, the camera, and the ring light. And then you just press this right here to open, I believe. Yep. Oh, and it's a double-sided mirror. Let's see, I just tried a new lipstick. How's it going? So far, so good, I think. I'm using the NYX lingerie that's in my Shop My Stash, but this is awesome. One side's more magnetized than the other. Super handy, like the name suggests, it's compact, so you can just throw this in your bag. This is awesome. I love the packaging of this too. Definitely want to reuse this, like a gold box for something. Awesome. Oh, the next thing I see is an address book. You guys, I always have to like ask friends again what their addresses are, so this is great. Like I try and save their addresses like in my iPhone, but I fail to do that too. So this is like an actual address book. I'm so excited. So it has like the alphabet here, so you can do it in alphabetical order, put your friends, contacts all in here, and it gives you an option. You put their name, their address, and then you can put their phone, cell phone, and fax number. I'm not sure how many people have a fax number anymore, but you know, some people might. And then in the back there's some sheets that say like dates to remember for each month, like March dates to remember, April, so you can put like birthdays and stuff there. There's also like an extra line right here on there, so you can maybe put your friend's birthday or whoever's birthday there as well. That's a good idea. Or you can just use that space to put whatever other information you want. I mean, it addresses 2 lines, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. You can put the birthday there too, or you can put it in the back. And I think this is super cute. I love the white and gold. I'm actually really excited about this. Like, I have a lot of notebooks and stuff like that, but I don't have an actual address book, so this is definitely handy. Next thing, this looks like it might be a notepad. I love the color green of this. It looks like there's like a beetle on the front. And this says it's by X&O Paper Goods, a collection by Sierra Gibson, and this is a boxed memo pad with 200 sheets. I just love the prints they have. So you often get like beautiful things from this company, and it always has beautiful prints, so this is super cute. I love the colors. That green and with the pinks. So this is just a notepad, it says list on it, so you could use this for whatever your list making thing. Like I like to make a list every single day about like what I'm getting done that day, make grocery lists all the time, all that stuff. So you can use this however you want, and you get a lot of pages. 200, that's a lot, and I love how it's this protective case that makes it like just feel a little bit more special. So awesome. Oh, we have another fun thing, recipe cards. This is super useful. I want to start cooking more. I'm trying to be healthier. I go out to eat like a lot, but like I love it. But I want to cook more too, and maybe I can like try and replicate some of the recipes or like the things I get at restaurants, because I've been having some good food lately. So it says on here, recipe from the kitchen of, and then oven temp, serves, prep time, cook time, total time, and then ingredients. So this is cute. And on the back of the card, you can write the directions out. This is super cute. And this has 40 recipe cards, which is great. It's also by Sierra Gibson. It's their kitchen envy set. So awesome. Ooh, and it looks like we have a pretty bookmark here. I will definitely use this right away. I have like several books I'm reading at once, which is silly, I know. I should just read one at a time. But some of them are like more like nonfiction or like health related books I've been reading. Like one's about fasting, one's about like low carb, stuff like that. And I've been just using like random pieces of paper as a bookmark. So this is super cool. Let me get this open. Isn't that cute? And there's like a little thing on the end. Let's see. Let me get the tape off. Is it like a tassel? I think it's a tassel. Yes, I love this. I'm totally going to use this, like I said. I'll probably put this in my fasting book because that's what I'm currently like interested in. So this is a tassel bookmark, and the name of it is Organic Triangles. I love the color. Definitely like fall colors. I love these greens we're getting. And then we usually get something for wrapping. I kind of like alluded to that we get like stuff for gifts. So here we have some like white ribbon thing you can just stick right on, and also tie ribbon. So definitely useful. And then I think this might be like a notebook, and this is that beautiful print. I love how everything in here always like has a theme and the prints go together. It's just so cute always. So this is by X&O Paper Goods again. Clearly because it has the same design that is inside here. And it's their Flex notebook, and it has 160 pages. Oh my god, I love this. Inside, looks like it says date on the top, and then it's just a lined notebook. So whether or not you're in school, like if you're in school, this would be like super cute to bring. But I like just to like make notes and stuff all the time. I love stuff like this. Like I said, I have a bunch of notepads, but I don't have like a big notebook like this right now. I actually use like for my like daily notebook, I have a smaller one I got actually from Confetti Collection. I use all the time. I love it. It's what I use for my like YouTube, like planning videos, all that stuff. Keeping track of like analytics. I use it all the time, and so I have to find a use for this, but this is beautiful. I love it. And you can like display this out on your desk together. Like how cute. I love the colors this month. Awesome. I think we have one more thing. This also goes along with the color scheme. It's so cute. Look, there's like little mushroom details on that. So this is the Mushroom Botanical Page Flag Sheet. So let's get this open. This is so cool how it opens. Let's see. Oh, awesome. So it's like little like sticky flags, so you can put these to like hold your spot somewhere, to leave little notes. So cute. So there's little mushrooms, leaves on it. Oh man, I love how this is protected, because sometimes you get those and they get all messed up, but this little casing will keep the paper intact. So that is awesome. I think this was so cute. So let's just do a quick recap of everything we got. So we got the compact mirror, which I absolutely love. I'm totally gonna use that. I'll probably put that in my purse tonight. Happy weekend, by the way, you guys. Let me know your plans. I hope you have some fun stuff going on, or if you don't, I hope you're just relaxing at home. If you're watching anything on Netflix, definitely let me know. I need a new series. I just finished Big Little Lies on HBO. So good, by the way. If you have HBO, check it out. But anyways, back to the box. We got this little bookmark, which is great. We have the big notebook. I can't wait to use it. It's so pretty. The little flags. our lists, the address book, and the recipe cards. Oh, and the stuff for gift wrapping. So if you want to use like gift any of this, like this stuff is so cute to keep yourself or to gift. Seriously, like, so I love the subscription. We get such cute things and they're very unique, and just the prints are adorable. I love it. So yeah, that is everything. You guys have to let me know what you think down below. Again, I will link them at the top of the description box as always. And I always link down below my social media handles if you want to follow me in between uploads. I post pretty consistently on both Snapchat and Instagram stories, and we can chat there. So yeah, let's be friends. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.